Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to build a circular text rotation in Framer. No code, no plugins needed. Free remix link in the description. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, go to layers, desktop, click this layer to make it stack. Then press F on keyboard to add a frame. Set the width, fill, height, viewport 100 VH, make it layout and change the fill color to black. Name it anything you'd like. I'm naming it container. Click this desktop, set the height, fit content, and now click this insert, type ARC, drag it and drop it here, update the text. Let's increase the width to 160 as well as height. Scroll down, align it center, font, reduce the size to 12. Also increase the letter little bit, maybe 0.9. Yeah, it looks better. Our text is now circular. Next, we need to animate it in a continuous looping motion. So for this, click here, effects, loop, leave the setting like this. Just go to transition, increase the time to 15. Now let's see. Yes, it looks perfect. Now let's add the icon. For this, just wrap it in a stack by pressing Ctrl Alt Enter. Name it arc and icon. Width, fit content, add some padding, 10. Click here, plugins, browse all, search for icon, launch this icon, iconitate, search for arrow right, then drop it here, change the position to absolute, align it center, set the width 60, also change the fill color to this color for consistency. You can also add hover effect here, click this hover, scale it 1, just change the rotation to 90. Now let's preview one more time. Yes, it looks perfect. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video inshallah.